Happy New Year, everybody. Beautiful day in the Carolinas, January 1st, 2026. Gonna take up the e-flite Night Timber X. So let's get this in the air, see what we can do.
Throttle, reverse thrust, forward thrust. Take off flag. Flaps up. ESC, 14.
Oh yeah.
Volts.
All right, guys. Gonna use the regular ailerons for a minute with this plane. Oh, it's getting a little windy. There we go. Get out of it. This is a fun plane. Can do a lot of stuff with this plane.
Full ailerons.
So we got full ailerons, guys. Look at
ESC, 13.82.
probably can't see that very well, but it's windy.
Time remaining.
Throw her in the air. Just like that. Man, there was no wind a minute ago. Now it's breezy. Do a low pass. You can just look at it. There's the lights. I don't have the other lights on for the night timber portion, but I really don't need those. It's daylight. Yes.
ESC, 14.39 volts.
There we go.
Expo mid. Normal ailerons.
Nice little loop. See the wind playing around with it. Again, we'll do another nice low pass.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Get out of it. Go high.
13.82 volts.
Just a fun plane. Been a long time since I've taken this up.
Full aileron. ESC, 13.72 volts.
When you get full ailerons, you can throw it around a little bit more. Be like this. Woo. Into the wind.
ESC, 14.04 volts.
There we go.
ESC, 14.1. Time remaining 2 minutes. Normal ailerons.
Throw her out. Get her back over. Uh-oh. Wind pushed me over that way. All right, I'm gonna take her in now.
Landing flaps. Full ailerons. Normal ailerons.
Got normal ailerons right now. Uh-oh. Don't do it. Don't do it. Oh.
Flaps up.
Yeah.
1 minute.
Wind's playing some tricks on me.
Landing flaps.
Yeah. If you like what you see, hit that like and subscribe button. And always, thanks for watching, guys.
Feels like it's the